This is SARS-CoV-2, the virus that is responsible for the disease COVID-19. This outer layer is called its envelope, and as you can see, it looks quite similar to this cell membrane. The purpose of the envelope is to trick the white blood cells into thinking the virus is in fact not a virus, and they will leave it alone. The virus then uses these projections, these red spikes, to attach itself to the cell, and from there it uses this yellow diamond called its capsid to inject the virus's genetic material, which is either DNA or RNA, into the cell. If the cell has RNA instead of DNA, it is called a retrovirus, such as SARS-CoV-2. From here, something that is called the lithic cycle is performed. The lithic cycle is one of the two ways a virus infects an organism. After injecting the genetic material into the cell, the virus takes over the cell's protein production and forces the cell to create more copies of the virus. Once creating enough copies of the virus, the cell will explode and let out all the viruses. Another way viruses infect the cell is called the lysogenic cycle, where the virus, after injecting its genetic material into the cell will incorporate the genetic material into the cell's DNA, and then the cell will reproduce with the viral DNA through the process of mitosis. When some sort of signal goes off, the virus will go back to the lithic cycle and explode and have more copies of the virus. To combat viruses, humans have created these things called vaccines, which are composed of either a part of the virus's envelope, a deactivated virus, or the virus's genetic material itself. What the vaccine does is warn the body of what's coming so that antibodies can be formed. Antibodies are created by memory T cells, which will remember the vaccine so that it can recognize the virus.